Hi guys, today we're going to look at how you can install RT Gsync in under 60 seconds. RT Gsync is a SugarCRM plugin that lets you synchronize Google Apps with your SugarCRM. Let's begin. Click on the profile icon found on the top right corner of Sugar. From the drop-down menu, click Administration. Now look for Module Loader in the Developer Tools section and click on it. Click on Choose File and navigate to the zip package that you downloaded from Sugar Outfitters. Open the package and click on Upload. Once the upload is complete, click Install. Accept the license agreement and press Commit to continue. Now head on over to your user profile and click Edit. Find the Gmail ID field. Enter your Gmail address and click Save. You will be prompted to Google's permission page. Click Allow and that's it. Congratulations! You've installed RT Gsync. Thanks for watching. Press the bell icon so you don't miss our new videos.